Shaffner here with my latest Nadine West bag. The mailman just delivered this and I thought, perfect timing. I'm going to take a break, put my feet up, and see what Nadine has sent this time. I am so glad that you are joining me today to see what's inside my pink package. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. I sure hope that you will subscribe and join me again. To my returning subscribers, hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing very, very well. If you're not familiar with Nadine West, I think this is the most affordable style subscription service out there. You go online, you fill out a very short profile, and then Nadine packs a pink package for you, and it's filled with random clothing, accessories, jewelry. There's always jewelry, which is a lot of fun. If you noticed, I didn't wear any jewelry. I wasn't wearing any jewelry prior to this video, but I thought this is perfect. I can get dolled up. There is a $9.78 shipping charge for every bag that you receive, but that charge can be deducted off anything that you purchase from your bag. Now, Nadine does send me these packages for free in return for my honest review. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's open this up. I got it open, and this is what the inside of the package looks like. Let's see. Looks like the bundles, they normally come in bundles, but my bundles have busted. Okay, this is what the first one looks like. And we have something else that is not wrapped. Every bag does come with an invoice. This bag has 6 pieces. Let's start with the jewelry since I'm not wearing any. We have 2 bags of jewelry this time. Looks like these are the earrings. Okay, the earrings are in a silver tone, and that's what they look like. So these are kind of cute, real simple. Catch the light a little bit. Okay, I'll try these on for you in a moment. Let's see what else we have. Looks like a necklace, and it's a little tangled. Okay, the necklace looks like this. This is beautiful. So again, this is the silver tone. Is that filigree? Is that what they call it? Look at the chain. That chain with, it's really delicate. This is very cool. Actually, this jewelry is going to match my outfit today. Okay, let's look real quick at the clothes. This looks familiar. These are a pair of denim looking leggings, but these are fur lined. That's what they call it. Yeah, this is really super soft. Who are these by? These are by the brand Shandley. Shandley fur lined leggings with a denim look to them. So these are perfect for this cold weather we are having. The next piece is a blouse. And this is a popover. This is actually a navy with a floral print popover tab sleeve top. And this one is by DNA Couture. Then we have, well, this looks interesting. What are you? Oh, cute. Okay, this is by the brand Very J. And this is a mustard color. Look at these sleeves. Oh, those are fabulous. Really cute. Now, I'm not sure, can you see this, the top or the bottom? I'm not sure if this is a dress or a tunic, but I will definitely wear it as a tunic. This is fun. This is a polyester blend, but this looks fun. And we do have some neck detail, so it is going to be a high neck, and there is a keyhole back. Okay, I'm excited to try on this tunic dress. And the last thing that we have is it looks like a layering piece. Yes, this is a top by Hippie Chick. I can tell because I know these tags. And this is in an olive green. This feels like a rayon fabric. And this is just an olive green top. So, okay, I'm gonna try everything on. I'll be right back. Ta-da, I'm back with my final thoughts. And overall, this bag is really a great bag. I think I like every single thing in the bag. And if you notice, I am still wearing the jewelry It just worked out so nicely that the jewelry that came today styles perfectly with the outfit that I am wearing, so I'm not taking it off. I love the earrings. They're just the perfect size and they do catch the light a bit. These earrings are called the Aisha. They're in a silver tone and they are $8.99. So this is the perfect example where you could use that shipping charge. If you didn't want anything else in the bag, you would send the other things back. You could keep the fun earrings and basically call it a wash. I like these. Now, if you notice, this side is a little concave and it's rounder on the side that I showed you earlier when I unboxed this bag, but they're supposed to go like this. So who knew? There you go. These are the Aisha and they're $8.99. Now this necklace is the most expensive piece I have ever received from Nadine West. This necklace is called the Kona necklace. I believe this is filigree. I am not an expert on jewelry. I just have fun wearing it. I love my costume jewelry. Now, this is a long chain, and it is a delicate chain, but it has these really cool medallions, and I think that's called filigree. Correct me if I'm wrong. There is also about a 2-inch extension on this necklace, and this one is $29.99. I love it. I am so happy to have this simple but really kind of funky piece. The first piece I tried on is this pullover olive top by Hippie Chic. This is a rayon and spandex top. It is super soft. You know this fabric. It feels amazing on. I'm always a little bit concerned with this particular blend because sometimes it feels a little clingy. This will make a really nice base layer. It feels amazing on. I do kind of like that it has longer sleeves on it. It also has a band on the bottom. Not my favorite, but this would always be worn as a layering piece, I think, or a base layer. Guess the price on this one. This is $25.99. I'm a little bit surprised by that price point, but I really like the top. Yeah, the necklace is the most expensive, and then this green layering top is next. I tried all the tops today with the leggings that Nadine sent, and I'm going to show you the label, Chandley. I have never tried anything by Chandley before, but you can see fur-lined, and the fur is amazing. It feels luxurious against my skin, so I like these. I don't know if they're flattering at all, but this would be a piece that I would wear with sweatshirts or oversized sweaters. This would be kind of a kick around the house piece, walk the dog piece, or maybe run errands, run to the grocery, maybe. I don't know. I'm not real big on wearing leggings outside of the house unless I'm walking dogs, but these are working pockets in the back. This is an elastic waistband, just a pull on. There are faux pockets, faux fly in the front. Incredibly comfortable. That's what I'll say. They're also really toasty. This is a warm legging, and they're also pretty long. So these might not work for a more petite woman. I'm 5'7", and these, I had to bunch them a little bit around my legs. These are only $19.99. I think that's a pretty great price for a legging that is so nice and warm and cute. I like these. I did not want to take them off. The navy floral top, Nadine calls this top the Faye top. It's only $15.99, and this is a top that I normally wear. This is kind of my standard uniform, a polyester pop over split neck top with tab sleeves. I'm trying to get away from that, but I do like this. This is what I reach for day in and out. I do like that there is a full length sleeve on this, so you can wear it down or you can roll it up and wear it tabbed if you like. It's a little bit longer in the back. This, I didn't notice when I unboxed it, this does have a hidden zipper. So you can adjust the neckline, and it's about a half zip. I guess you could be just as daring as you care to be with this blouse. This blouse is in a size medium. That's my normal size, but this DNA Couture runs a little bit small on me, and I think if I sized up to a size large, this would be a much better fit. When I did unzip the neckline, it felt better, but it was a little tight in my back. And also the sleeves felt a little bit tight on this one. It's only $15.99. It's a really cute top. I just don't think the fit is perfect for me. I bet you knew I was going to save the dress for last. Yes, Nadine does call this the Mel dress, but I'm going to call it the Mel tunic or the Kel tunic. So this is the tunic. It is in mustard. The price on this tunic dress is $23.99. I think it's adorable. It is in a mustard color, but it's a dark mustard, more of like a spicy mustard. This dress is so fun. It's got the V-neck and it does have the choker collar, has the keyhole in the back, and there are hidden buttons. I'll show you the inside. Hidden buttons, which I appreciate that attention to detail. I love the sleeves on this dress. I love the sleeves. Can I say it again? I think that is such a fun detail. I like the way that it looked on as well. I mean, it wasn't overbearing, you know what I mean? Now, the shape of the dress was also a shape I think I can wear. I know I don't normally wear these big swing style dresses. This one has pockets. And of course, I would only wear this as a tunic. Now, I had problems with the fit in the shoulders, and you can see that in the try-on. And trust me, I am trying to figure out how to make this dress work because I think it's kind of mod, and I want to wear this. So if you have any ideas of how to wear this dress, because maybe it's just a little bit snug in the shoulders, or because when I do this, the whole dress came up with me, and honestly, I will raise my shoulders during the day when I wear this dress, but I want to figure out how to wear this dress. Yeah, this one, $23.99. I think that's a great price, but I might be too busty for this dress. This Nadine West bag, although small, was really mighty. I like every single piece that I received. I did have some fit issues. What did you think about the pieces Nadine sent this time? I'll tell you what, it was a small bundle, but I like every single piece. I just had some fit issues with a couple of them, and hopefully I will model the dress for my mother and see if she can figure out how to alter the dress so it works in the shoulders. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't done that. I will be back very soon with another video. I cannot wait to see you. Blessings to all of you.